Hey guys, Wagwan. So one day Kendra was going on a trip with her DECA group. They were going to state finals. And I brought her some brown stew beef, rice and peas, and some pasta salad. Some of the kids had some, and ever since that, they've been asking Kendra to make her mom make food for them. So I decided to finally do that.
3, 2, 1.
10 out of 10.
So I don't know if Kendra gave them the idea, but they said they wanted fried wings, rice and peas, pasta salad, and brown stew chicken. So this is the night before. This is a marination process. So personally, when I'm making brown stew chicken, I like to chop it up in smaller pieces. However, some kids may not be used to having chopped chicken, like the way we do it in Jamaica. So I was scared of any bone splinters and stuff like that. So I just use the straight leg and thigh just as is. I mean, some people in Jamaica do it like this, but I like to chop up mine. So I gave the chicken a nice sear, remove the excess oil, add back the chicken, add the veggies, add some crushed pimentos because I didn't want to put the pimentos in there whole, which it gives out more flavor when it's crushed. And then I add a little more browning and water, add some more flavor to the pot, like a little more seasoning, and I added my scallion thyme, and I did add some ketchup. Now for the rice and peas, they wanted the food by 9:30 and I didn't have any time, so I just did a Walmart delivery. I got the canned beans. We're using canned coconut as well. So the canned beans is not going to give the rice and peas like a bright color, but the flavor was there and that's all that matters. All right. So the rice and peas just need to steam a little bit more, but that's the color. That's the color that it has. It's not bad. It was not bad at all. And I did had to use 3 cans of bean because it wasn't a lot of beans in each can. So it was raining really bad, so I didn't get to do a video of me dropping the food off, but they said that they were going to eat the food right away and I didn't need to set up my sterner under the chafing pan or anything. So yes guys, tell me why after I dropped the food off and I was leaving, this lady came after me. Hey, where are you going? Where are you going? So I'm like, Mom, I'm not a student. I'm a parent and I just came to drop some food off. And she still like had a questionable look on her face. So I'm like, yeah, I just dropped some food off to the DECA group and I'm leaving. And she's like, okay.
10 out of 10.